Guys, anong pangalan niyo, sir? Ay, ito, ano to eh?
Django.
Si Django Bustamante. Ay, Django ano? Django. Mayaman po to.
Yaman.
Ito po ang kaibigan ko mas mayaman pa sa
Yaman.
sa pinakamayaman.
Yaman. Kulukop na kami.
Hindi, joke lang po. Pero may kaya po sa buhay. Tingnan niyo po ang building niya. Oh. Guys,
Kaya.
up and down. Ayan bahay niya. Nakita niyo naman. Oh. Yan, oh. Si Django. Ewan mo nga, ang pintuan po. Sulit po. Oh, sulit yan. Sandali. Ibablog ko lang itong ano. Guys, may pakikita po ko sa inyo. This is Rural Bicol Vlog. Napakalinis na kanal. Kung mapapansin niyo po, tingnan niyo po yan po ginagawa yan. Ayan, from here to there. Look at this, guys. Look at the water. Guys. Also, it's not clean. The water of the river is not clean. But here, look at this, guys. Here, guys. I will show you guys. Look at the water of this canal. It's so very clean. If you ask me why, I don't know, guys. From here to there to the Ilog River, it's not clean. Oh, see guys, you see that, guys? It's so very clean. If you ask me why, I don't know. Okay, guys. So this is CANAL Bicol Vlog, guys. Follow me on YouTube and watch and write a comment. Minutes ba? 1 minute pa lang pala. Guys, I'll show you the other river here. It's very dirty. But this one, it's clean also. Not like there. Look at that, guys. Look at the water. The water is dirty. Guys, I will ask my friend. I don't know what's her name. I forgot it. What's your name, guys?
Idol, Boss Ronald.
Yes,
Vlogger.
Ronald Bicol Vlog.
Ronald Bicol Vlog daw.
This is my friend. What's your name, guys?
My name is Junjun.
Junjun. What's your name? From what province you are?
From
province mo, guys? Tuwong Samar, guys. This is my friend. Junjun. Ano? Dito. Dito mo, guys.
Villanueva.
Villanueva is it's familiar for me. It's Villanueva. In Bicol, there are many Villanueva family. Shout out to Villanueva family. This is Ronald Bicol Vlog. Where are you? And where are you from? This is Junjun Villanueva, guys. My friend. Okay. Okay. I will not ask that. Hey, guys. Okay. Shout out to your family in your province.
Shout out sa mga taga Samar dyan.
Yes, your mother, your father, your brother, sister. Your brother, your mother. Shout out to your mother, your father, your brother and sister.
Shout out din sa tatay ko.
Kapatid, yes.
Matagal na nangupahan dun sa tala.
Yes. Okay. Your sister and brother, where is your sister and brother?
Sa province.
Okay.
Bicol.
Oh, yeah, I'm Bicolano also, guys. I'm Bicolano, this Bicol pa also.
Shoutout nga pala sa mga taga Bicol dyan Elmer Roncales sa taga Bicol.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Okay na po siya, guys. So I have to go here. I will show you the river. Small river is so. Guys, look at the water. It's dirty. And if you ask me why the water here is very clean, I don't know, guys. I will show you, guys. Look at this water. I don't know why the water is so very clean. Look at that, guys. See, guys, the water is so very clean. I don't know why. If the water is very clean. Okay, guys, this is Ronald Bicol Vlog. Shout out to my ka-vloggers. Edna Vlog, Elisa Capital, guys, Kakuya, Bless Life, Bogs, Second, aming madiskarte, Jen White, hello. Jennifer Vlog, Edna Vlog. Ano ba? Guys, hindi ko na maisa-isahin kayo. Ang dami nyo eh. So, shout out sa lahat ng mga vloggers. And, bye. Thank you. God bless you guys. Love you. This is Ronald Bicol Vlog, guys. Ronald Alanti Oquindo is my sure name. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless all.